today's video, I did this blue devil look, and I will leave who I was inspired by down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. My Instagram and Snapchat will be down below. Also, these lashes are from Dodo Lashes, so if you guys want to save some money on those, don't forget to use my code at checkout. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi. Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. Let me show you my inspiration real quick. So it's this like blue devil girl that's like crying. It is by amber.carr.art. So I will link her down below in the description so you guys can check out her work. She's actually really talented and I love her art. Alright, so starting off I'm going to use primer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Just like the last tutorial, I did not bring a mirror, and then I am going to be using a lot of face paint, so I do want to prime and fill my pores so my skin isn't like emphasized by the face paint. What? So for my face paint, I'm going to be using the Mayron Paradise paint in white and then dark blue. And then to apply this, I'm going to be using some disposable makeup sponges. So I'm going to start off with the white, and I'm going to mix these colors on the back of my hand. So I'm going to take some white first. And then I'm going to take some blue, and then I'm just going to take my makeup sponge and I'm going to take some and just start dabbing this onto my face. And then you want to work quickly because this paint does dry very fast. Oh my god, that scared me. I'm like Smurf color right now. No! I literally feel like I'm gonna turn into like Mystique any second now. Or I feel like a member of the Blue Men's Crew. Literally. I look like a Smurf. Let me drink my boss water. So now that I'm all blue, I think I am going to continue the blue further down my arm. But I'm just kind of like sick and tired of blue right now. So I'm going to do other things. So I'm just going to set my face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm just going to set my body real quick. The paint should have dried, but just in case, I'm just going to go over it real quick. So now I'm going to highlight my under eyes with a eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in with like a light blue eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking a light blue eyeshadow and I'm just going to be going up under my eyes and creating that highlight. So last time I practiced this look, I used this exact shadow and it worked really well. The blue I had done on my body was a little bit darker. Also, I am using brushes that I usually don't use, so like brushes that like I don't really care if they get destroyed because I don't want to stain the ones that I use like on an everyday basis. Also, while I was putting on this blue, I was like, oh my god, like what if we were able to like wear like different colors and say it was like our foundation? So like if there was like bottles of like different colored foundation, like blue, green, pink, so like every day we can be like a different color. Like isn't that, that'd be so cool. So now I'm going to be going into the Morphe 35B palette. And I took this white shade to highlight, but now I'm going to be taking this dark blue to contour. And I'm just going to put that same dark blue over my nose and onto my cheeks. Also, I didn't paint the top of my ear or the inside because I feel like that's like really gross. So now I'm going to start my eyebrows and I'm going to do them the exact same way I usually do them, but then I'm going to use eyeliner to darken them up a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and I'm going to do hair-like strokes to kind of fill in my eyebrow a little bit more. So I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to take this light baby blue and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go into the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to take this dark blue shade, and this is going to be my crease color, so I'm just going to buff it into my crease, keeping it very high. And then I'm putting this onto my outer corner and I'm flicking it outwards.
Awaken my heart, the start of something that would go on way.
Like, she's cut, girl. She is cut. Hi. Like, I never look this good when I'm wearing regular makeup. Now I'm gonna take the black in this palette. I'm just going to deepen out my crease and then my outer corner. Should I? Alright, for the center of my lid, I'm going to take this dark blue shimmer shade. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to do this light blue shade. Ooh, if I had like a short little bob, how cute! I want to cut my hair. So I've been wanting to cut my hair for a while now, and I had a dream last night that I had cut my hair, and I was like putting it up, and it like looked so nice in like half up, half down, and I had like short little hair, and I was like, oh my god. So I went into the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I went into Ozone, which is this like silvery shade. And I just highlighted my nose, lip, chin, and then my eyebrow. Ooh, God. And then I highlighted with the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette in 032 because I have no idea how to say that name. So I'm going to quickly put on lashes. For lashes, I'm going to use the Dodo Lashes in D301. These are the longest lashes that I own, so this is what I'm going to be wearing, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have to do freckles, I have to do my lips, and then I have to apply the little teardrop. So I'm going to start with freckles because that's the easiest. And then I'm just going to use black eyeliner to do that as well. Ooh, she's cute. Hi. Hi, honey. I always say that. Oh my god. Stop it right now. Love her. Alrighty, so for lips, I'm going to do a black lip, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Lip Palette Volume 1. I'm pretty sure if like it was going to be like a live or die situation, and the killer was like, line your lips or you're dead, I'd be dead. Alright, so now I'm going to just apply the tears. For the tears, I used a hot glue gun, and then I made the form of a little tear on parchment paper or like non-stick paper, and then I just painted it blue. I'm going to go back into this dark blue shade, and I'm just going to apply it kind of where I want the horns to be, like right in the middle. And then these little horns I actually made out of scar putty. It's the one that you get at like the Halloween store. You can use clay, you can use Play-Doh, I don't know. That's what I had, so I just used that. And then I just painted it blue. Alrighty guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!